then during the session, whenever I replay like 5 seconds before, like.
Like a pianist, you know.
Really stressed. I mean, until day 7, I still really stressed whenever I need to play a video. I'm very happy that my team like really supportive, and even Christy and me sometimes also come to help me with all the like run the session. And I also happy that some people also like taking care of me. Like, oh, you need anything, tea and biscuits and lunch, like they bring to me because I need to see the plenary most of the time. So I mean, session is quite fun in that sense, and I mean, yeah, I'm happy that I'm doing that job because I know most of the content, and like the AI people also very understanding. So it's really fun. You should try.
Video.
I think it's true, like, I never knew how hard it is to play a video on a screen. Like, it started at day 0 and we used like 5 people to play one video, like 1 for lights, 2 for projection, 1 for sound and 1 to coordinate. Like, 4, it was just crazy, and it continued the whole time until like the gala dinner, which cable is not here, how do we coordinate, as in it's always crazy. I don't know whether it's normal at ICs or whether it was just IC Kenya who had a problem with electricity and with cables and with sound, but I'm just proud that we somehow managed this with a lot of humor and patience. So, yeah, of course there's